Let's be honest, in today's digital age, online booking is a game changer. It offers convenience for your clients and streamlines your operations. But with that convenience comes the potential for flakiness. People can easily book an appointment with a few clicks and then just as easily forget about it or decide not to show up with zero repercussions. That's where requiring a credit card comes in. It acts as a small yet significant barrier to entry, signaling to your clients that their commitment is valued. Think about it from a client's perspective. If they know a card is on file, they're far more likely to remember their appointment, arrive on time, or at the very least, cancel within your policy window. This isn't about being punitive. It's about mutual respect for time and resources. And for you, the business owner, it provides a safety net. If a client does cancel late or no-show, you have the option to charge a fee, recouping some of that lost income. It's a win-win, better client accountability and financial protection for your business. Before we jump into the step-by-step process, it's crucial to understand a couple of prerequisites. First, to require a credit card for booking, you need to have credit card processing activated through Vagaro Merchant Services. This is the backbone that allows you to securely collect and process payments. If you haven't set this up yet, it's a straightforward process within Vagaro settings. Second, you'll be configuring these settings within your online shopping cart or online appointment rules section, as this is where your booking policies are managed. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The first major step is to enable credit card capture for your online bookings. Step 1. Navigate to your online shopping cart settings. On the web, tablet, Paydesk, or PayPro, from your Vagaro dashboard, you'll typically find a settings option. Click on it. Then, look for Things We Sell and select Online Shopping Cart. On a phone, go to More, then Settings, Things We Sell, and finally, Online Shopping Cart. This section is your command center for all things related to online sales and booking rules. Step 2. Configure credit card capture for services or classes. Once you're in the online shopping cart settings, you'll see options for both services and classes. You can set different rules for each, depending on your business model. Scroll down until you find the section titled Require Deposit or Capture Credit Card at the Time of Booking Services or Classes. Here, you'll have a few choices. To simply require a credit card on file without charging an upfront deposit, select Capture Credit Card. If you want to require a partial or full payment upfront, you would select Deposits instead. For the purpose of this video, we're focusing on capturing the card. Step 3. Define your credit card capture rules. This is where you get granular about when a credit card is required. For bookings greater than or equal to, this is a powerful setting. You can specify a minimum service or class price for which a credit card is required. For example, if you only want to require cards for bookings over $50, you'd enter $50 here. This is great for businesses that offer a mix of high and low price services. Cancellation/no-show fee. This is critical for protecting your revenue. You can set a percentage-based fee, e.g., 50% of the service price, or a fixed fee, e.g., $25, that will be charged in case of a late cancellation or no-show. This acts as a deterrent and a recovery mechanism. Cancellation fee cutoff time. How much notice do you need for a cancellation? This setting lets you define that. For instance, if you enter 24 hours, clients who cancel less than 24 hours before their appointment could be subject to the cancellation fee. This encourages timely communication. Require credit card for. This allows you to target specific client types. You can choose from new customer appointments, ideal for vetting new clients, old customer appointments, if you want consistent application across all bookings, mobile service appointments. If you offer services at a client's location, this can be extra important. Customer with no-shows or cancellations. A great way to add an extra layer of accountability for clients with a history of missed appointments. You can select one or multiple of these options. Step 4. Craft your cancellation policy. Transparency is key. Vagaro provides a required appointment cancellation fee policy box. This is where you clearly state your terms to your clients. Be explicit about why you require a credit card, your cancellation cutoff time, the amount or percentage of the no-show/cancellation fee, how clients can cancel or reschedule to avoid fees. This policy will be displayed to clients when they book, ensuring they understand the terms before confirming their appointment. A well-written policy can prevent disputes and build trust. Step 5. Save your settings. Once you've configured all your preferences, don't forget to click Save. Your new credit card requirement rules will immediately apply to all new online bookings. What happens on the client side? When a customer books an appointment online and your settings require a credit card, they will be prompted to enter their credit card information before they can finalize the booking. This information is securely stored on file within Vagaro. They won't be charged at this point unless you've also set up a deposit requirement. The card is simply held as a guarantee. For in-house bookings made by your staff, Vagaro will also provide prompts. If a credit card is required based on your settings, a required box will appear next to the customer's profile when booking their appointment. Your staff will then be prompted to enter the customer's credit card information. There is an option to book without credit card if you need to bypass this requirement for specific situations, but it's important to use this judiciously. Beyond just preventing no-shows, having a card on file offers other benefits. It speeds up the checkout process for future appointments, as clients can simply use their stored card. It also allows you to easily charge for additional services or products purchased during their visit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.